Ready to turn your home into something smarter, sleeker, and way more effortless? These Amazon smart home gadgets and furniture pieces are designed to simplify your routine and upgrade your space without the hassle. From automation to space-saving designs, everything here works together to make daily living smoother. All products are linked in the description below. Your mirror just got a serious upgrade. This smart vanity doubles as a full touchscreen TV hidden behind the glass. Turn it on and you can stream shows, check the weather, or play music while getting ready. Anti-fog tech keeps your reflection crystal clear even after hot showers. With adjustable lighting from warm to cool, you always get the perfect view for makeup or grooming. Why reach for the coffee table when everything can sit right next to you? This sofa armrest tray turns the gap between your cushions into a fully loaded comfort station. It holds your drinks securely while also giving you space for remotes, snacks, and your phone. Built-in lighting helps you see at night without getting up, and the wireless charging keeps your device powered while you relax. It's like upgrading your couch into a mini entertainment hub made just for you. Your nightstand is about to do everything at once. This smart bedside lamp combines lighting, music, charging, and an alarm clock into one sleek setup. It plays your favorite songs through a built-in Bluetooth speaker while lighting up your room with soft, adjustable colors. You can place your phone on top for wireless charging, so there are no messy cables. At night, it even helps you sleep and wake up gently with calming sounds and a clear display. Your old clothes don't have to look old anymore. This fabric shaver instantly removes fuzz, lint, and fabric balls to bring your sweaters and blankets back to life. Just glide it over the surface and watch worn-out fabric look fresh again in seconds. With adjustable speeds and blade settings, you can safely use it on everything from thick blankets to delicate clothes. It's a simple tool that makes your wardrobe feel brand new again. Why clutter your room with a full rack of weights when one set can do it all? These adjustable dumbbells let you switch weights in seconds with a simple twist, so you can move from light warm-ups to heavy lifts without stopping. Each dumbbell replaces multiple sets, saving you tons of space at home. The secure locking system keeps everything stable while you train, even during intense lifts. It's a complete home gym packed into one compact, powerful setup. Your outdoor table just got a hidden upgrade. This side table secretly works as a full ice cooler, keeping your drinks chilled while still looking like modern patio furniture. Just lift the top and you've got space for ice and up to dozens of cans for long hangouts. When closed, it works like a stylish table for snacks, drinks, or decor. Built for outdoor use, it stays solid in heat, cold, and everything in between, so your gatherings never get interrupted. Cooking just got a lot easier and less messy. This clip-on strainer attaches directly to your pot, so you can drain pasta or vegetables without transferring anything. Just clip it on, tilt, and the water flows out while your food stays put. The heat-resistant silicone handles hot liquids safely and won't melt or bend. It's compact, easy to store, and makes straining food faster and way more convenient in your kitchen. Lights that turn on exactly when you need them. This motion sensor ceiling light detects movement and instantly brightens your space without touching a switch. It offers 3 lighting tones, so you can choose warm, neutral, or bright white to match your room. The slim, low-profile design fits perfectly in tight spaces like closets and hallways. With auto, motion-only, or always-on modes, you get lighting that adapts to your routine effortlessly. Opening your curtains just got effortless. This smart curtain opener lets you control your curtains with a simple remote. No more reaching or pulling. It attaches easily to most curtain rods and tracks, turning your regular setup into something automatic in minutes. The quiet motor smoothly opens and closes your curtains whenever you want. Perfect for mornings or relaxing evenings. It adds a touch of convenience to your daily routine. Your desk should work with you, not against you. This adjustable standing desk lets you switch from sitting to standing with a smooth, quiet lift at the press of a button. The sleek glass top resists fingerprints and scratches, so it always looks clean. Built-in outlets and USB ports keep all your devices powered without clutter. With hidden drawers for storage, you get a setup that feels organized, modern, and ready for anything. Messy cables can ruin the look of any space. This cable management box hides your power strips and wires in one clean, simple setup. Just place everything inside, and your desk or floor instantly looks organized. The closed design also keeps kids and pets away from dangerous cords while reducing dust buildup. With built-in ventilation, it prevents overheating, so you get a safer and cleaner environment without the clutter. Ever bumped a door handle into the wall one too many times? These silicone covers protect both your handles and your walls from damage. The soft material cushions every impact while also making handles safer to touch. No more hot or cold surprises. A suction backing keeps everything firmly in place without tools or drilling. Simple, reusable, and easy to install. It's a small upgrade that saves you from constant dents and scratches. Say goodbye to stale snacks and messy bags. This mini bag sealer lets you reseal chips, frozen food, and more in seconds. One side seals the bag tight, while the other cuts it clean, no scissors needed. You just press and slide, and it locks in freshness instantly without any waiting. Small enough to stick on your fridge or carry anywhere, it's a simple fix for keeping your food fresh longer. Ever wanted to print something instantly anywhere you are? This mini portable printer lets you turn notes, photos, and ideas into real prints right from your phone. It uses inkless thermal printing, so you never have to deal with messy cartridges or refills. You can even print stickers, labels, or to-do lists in seconds using a simple app. Small enough to fit in your pocket, it's perfect for journaling, organizing, or just having fun on the go. Turn your room into your own personal universe. This galaxy projector fills your ceiling with stars, planets, and stunning space scenes that feel almost real. With multiple projection discs, you can switch between different cosmic views anytime you want. The 360-degree rotation lets you cover walls, ceilings, or even the whole room with moving light. Set the timer, dim the lights, and you've got a calm, dreamy atmosphere perfect for relaxing or falling asleep. Your nightstand just got a serious upgrade. This smart side table does way more than hold your lamp. It cools your drinks, plays music, and charges your devices all in one place. A built-in cooling drawer keeps your beverages chilled and ready whenever you need them. You also get wireless charging, plus extra ports for all your gadgets without the cable mess. With Bluetooth speakers and soft LED lighting, it turns your space into a cozy, all-in-one relaxation hub. Opening bottles just turned into a fun little moment. This penguin-shaped opener lets you pop caps with a simple push-down motion. Just place the bottle on top and press, and the cap drops neatly into the built-in collector. Magnets help catch the caps, so nothing flies around or gets lost. It's small, portable, and doubles as a cute desk decoration for your home bar or camping setup. Forgetting your vitamins just got a lot harder. This smart water bottle comes with a built-in pill organizer for your daily routine. Each compartment keeps your doses sorted, so you always know what to take and when. Just twist it open, grab your pills, and wash them down instantly. Perfect for travel, work, or the gym. It keeps everything you need in one simple grab-and-go setup. Ever wish your phone was just part of your laptop setup? This clever side mount stand attaches right onto your monitor or laptop and holds your phone beside your screen. You get a clean dual screen feel without extra clutter. The magnetic grip keeps your phone secure while you work, watch, or take calls. It folds down flat, so you can easily carry it anywhere you go. Tired of wrestling with cling wrap that sticks to everything but your food? This smart dispenser gives you a clean cut every single time. Just pull and slide with one hand, and you're done in seconds. The hidden blade stays sharp while keeping your fingers safe. A magnetic back lets you stick it on your fridge, saving counter space and keeping your kitchen neat. Little hands getting into places they shouldn't? This simple fridge lock keeps everything safely shut. It's easy for you to open, but tricky for kids and pets to figure out. No tools needed, just stick it on and you're good to go. It works on fridges, cabinets, and drawers alike. Clean design blends right in, so your space stays neat and secure. Shoes piling up and disappearing in your closet? This rotating shoe rack puts everything on display in one smooth spin. The 360-degree design lets you grab any pair without digging through piles. 7 tiers stack vertically, so you store more while using less floor space. It's sturdy enough for shoes, bags, or hats, and the simple setup means you'll have it ready in no time. A coffee table that does way more than hold your snacks. This lift-top design rises up to become a comfy workspace or even a quick dining spot. Hidden compartments and a drawer keep clutter out of sight, while 4 matching stools tuck neatly underneath. The smooth lift system makes every adjustment quiet and effortless. Need to move it? Built-in wheels let you shift it around with ease. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier. This smart folding machine takes your clothes and neatly folds them in seconds. Just clip in a shirt, and it comes out perfectly stacked without any effort from you. It handles items like shirts, pants, and towels with consistent results every time. Instead of spending time folding, you can sit back and let it do the work. Your living room just got a personality upgrade. This bubble-style couch instantly stands out with its soft curves and eye-catching design. The 3D honeycomb fabric isn't just for looks, it stays breathable, so you stay cool and comfortable while lounging. Deep cushioning supports your whole body, making it perfect for long sits or quick naps. Best part? No assembly needed, just unpack it and relax. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.